In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on Google Forms. We'll start by opening Google Forms in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so your work saves automatically. If you land on the Forms homepage, you'll see options to create a blank form or use a template. Using a template is the fastest way to get a ready-made email field without setting everything up from scratch. At the top of the page, click Template Gallery to see the pre-built options. From there, choose the contact information template. This template is designed to gather basic details, and it already includes an email question for you. Once the template opens, take a quick moment to review the questions. If you want to ensure you always get an email address with every submission, toggle the email question to required. You can also tweak the wording to match your tone, add a short description explaining why you're collecting emails, and remove any fields you don't need to keep the form short and focused. When your form looks good, it's time to get the link that people will use to respond. In Google Forms, click the Send button at the top right. In the pop-up, switch to the Link tab, then copy the responder link. Some interfaces label this as publishing or sharing, but the idea is the same. You're getting the public link that anyone can use to fill out your form. If you prefer a shorter URL, use the built-in shorten option before copying. Now share that link wherever your audience is. You can paste it into an email newsletter, drop it into a group chat, post it on social media, or embed it behind a button on your website. Add a short note about what subscribers will receive and how often you'll contact them so people feel informed and comfortable opting in. As responses come in, head back to your form and open the Responses tab at the top. You'll see a summary view with counts and charts, plus the ability to review individual submissions. The email addresses captured through the email question will appear right alongside other details. For easier organization, you can create a linked spreadsheet from the Responses tab, which makes sorting and filtering simple and keeps everything backed up. That's it. By using the contact information template, copying the responder link, and sharing it, you'll start collecting emails quickly and cleanly, all within Google Forms.